Hello viewer, we are going to make different shapes and the different designs. So you are on our channel, so let's subscribe it first. Then you will get the different ideas to edit the pictures in Photoshop and the other editing tool like mobile phone apps. So first you have to subscribe the channel, then you will get the update of each video we will upload on our channel. So this will help you out to learn the editing, and also we will get the new ideas about the tools of the Photoshop and further updates for editing and AI tools for creation of shapes.